Hello guys, today we're going to see how to set cookie, update cookie, delete cookie, and even how to get cookie value. How to do it? Let's create a file, then we call it cookies. So create a file, we save it as cookies.php. So let us save it on desktop. Then open PHP and you close it. So we are going first to see how we set cookies that will be available to all web pages. So let's first put the comment set cookies. Now to set the cookie, we type set cookie, then we put the name of the cookie, maybe it is the user. Then we put the value of the cookie. For example, it is 1234. Then after you put the time plus, for example, 86400 times 7. So we will see the meaning of this. We see the meaning of this. Then we put slash. So then after semicolon. So this slash means that this cookie will be available to all pages. So if we remove this, it means the cookie will be available on the page where it has been set. So that is why you put this, to allow it to be available to all pages. Now what is the meaning of 86,400 times 7? So here, let's put the comment, then this 86,400 is equal to 1 day. And now this means this cookie will last 7 days. So it will last 7 days because this is 1 day, then it will last 7 days. So how do we update cookie? Update cookie. So to update this cookie, so we take this, then to update it, for example, this user, we want to update this cookie, then you put another value. Automatically, you put another value 3456, for example. So it means we have updated the cookie. Now, how do we delete the cookie? To delete the cookie, so let's put the comment delete cookie. To delete the cookie, so we copy this. Let's copy this, then paste here. We simply here put negative. Then it is time minus this one. Automatically this will delete the cookie. Now how do we get the value of the cookie that have been created? So to get the value of the cookie, we say, so let us say get cookie value. So we type, for example, you can say user equal cookie, then we put the variable here. The variable is user. Then you put variable user. So let's take this, then we put it here. So it means here this user will take the value of 1234. So this is how we get the cookie value that we created before. Thank you for watching. See you next time.